Hello friends, I welcome you all to my video. I thank you for subscribing my channel. Today I like to share one algebra question. Find all the solutions of x cube minus y cube is equal to x plus y plus 61, and given that x, y are positive integers. So when this condition is given to be positive, the question becomes relatively easy. So for this, taking the formula for x cube minus y cube, x minus y multiplies x square plus y square plus x times of y. Again, I will replace this x square plus y square by x minus y whole square plus 2 times xy. Now this left hand side will become x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. Now replacing x square y square, I'll write x minus y whole square plus 2 times of xy plus xy. So ultimately x cube minus y cube can be written as x minus y whole x minus y whole square plus 3 times of xy. This is given to x product of xy plus 61. Now I am getting an equation x minus y square plus 3 times of xy is equal to, or minus xy is equal to 61. Now I am taking x minus y as another variable, that is a or constant, and x times of y is equal to b. Since x and y are integers, x minus y is an integer and x and y are positive integer. X multiplied by is also another integer. So a, b are integers. So this equation will reduce it to a square minus 3a minus b, this will be b minus b is equal to 61. Square, again I made a mistake, it will be plus 3 times of b plus 3 times of b minus b. Now on multiplying, I'll get a cube plus 3 times of ab minus b is equal to 61. Next I am taking b to left side. I get 3a minus b is equal to 61 minus a cube. 3a minus 1 is equal to 61 minus a cube, or b is equal to 61 minus cube by 3a minus 1. So a is an integer, b is an integer. Now we'll get what can be the value of a and b. So since b is an integer, so 61 and it is given to positive integer, it should be greater than equal to 0 or not equal to so a q is less than 61. So what is the value of a? A may be 1, a may be 2, a may be 3. As cube is less than 61, 2 cube is less than 61, 3 cube is less than 61, but not 4. So I can take a as 1, 2, 3. So first, when I am taking a is equal to 1, that time b will be 61 minus 1 cube by 3 into 1 minus 1. That will be 60 over 2, 30. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 30. One pair of a, b possible. Next is, if I take a is equal to 2, then equal to 61 minus 2 cube over 3 into 2 minus 1. So it will be 61 minus 8 upon 6 minus 1. That will be your 54 by 5. This is not an integer. This does not belong to integer. Because when x is an integer, y is an integer, then xy, what I have taken as b, this should be integer. So here I am getting a rational number which is not an integer, 54 by 5. So a is equal to b, not solution or not true. Then in the same way, a is equal to 3, this is also will not work. So 327 by 3 times of 3, 9 minus 1. Here I am getting 434 by 8. Again, this is not an integer. So I have got only one pair now. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 30. What does a? A was x minus y and b was xy is equal to 30. I have to solve x and y. So what I'll do, I'll take x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square plus 4 times of xy. So x1 square plus 4 multiplies 30. I'm getting 1 plus 120. That will be 121. So x plus y whole square is equal to 121. Then x plus y is equal to 11. So x plus y is equal to 11 and x minus y we have already written, that is equal to 1. A is 1. A is I took as x minus y. Solving these two, so I am getting 2 as x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 6. Then y is equal to 11 minus 6. That will be 5. So 6, 5 is the solution. Now let us verify. X cube minus y cube equal to, left hand side is equal to x cube is equal to 216 minus 5 cube is equal to 125. That will be 91. And right hand side is equal to xy plus 61. That will be 30 plus 61 is equal to 91. So hence it is verified. So I hope you have enjoyed the solution. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.